Hello everyone, this is Gare, and today I have an update on my iHome iD38 Bluetooth mod. You see now I got the display working and the audio switching circuit working. This chip here is a MCP 42010 digital potentiometer that I could not get to work with the setup. They do work because I've tested them with my Arduino Uno here. And I have the BT201 Bluetooth module. I have the aux input jack. And then we have the Arduino Mega. The reason why I have an external power supply is because the amplifier needs a lot of energy. I've been trying to fix that noise for the past few days. The display is being driven independently from the Bluetooth module. I gotta switch to aux in. Press I don't want to play the exact same song, because that would be boring. The buttons do work. And when you press power, it turns off the audio stream. You can see the serial port readings when you push buttons. They don't pressing the buttons that aren't wired up. Yeah. See, it still shows the buttons you're pressing. Less about the serial port. In the future, I want this to show the volume level and the actual activity state. Also, yeah, I got the clock feature working and the temperature, which is not accurate, by the way. If we can start playback. Again, there's no volume control for the aux input. I was hoping I would be able to get that working, but I can't really figure out the SPI part for the Arduino Mega. That's it for this quick update. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, and support me by buying from my eBay, Mercari, and Depop stores. All links are in the description.